Hey, welcome back to Apple a Day. This is the first episode in a new series called What the Heck Just Happened? I'm going to be covering all of those strange issues which occur from time to time, whether it's something out of your control or perhaps the wrong keystroke was pressed and you're not sure what happened. In this episode, I've got a really quick tip for all Mac users. So today I was working away and I noticed that my Quicklook was broken. And for those who don't know, Quicklook is a really cool feature on the Mac. When you press the spacebar, it opens a full-size preview of the file you currently have selected, or if it's a video, it'll play the video. But today, that suddenly broke for me, and this is what I was seeing. A really low-res thumbnail with some file info. Very frustrating. I use Quicklook constantly, and when it doesn't work, it ruins your day, and it makes you scream, what the heck just happened? Now, I've had this happen before, and I usually take the easy way out and just reboot my Mac. But this time I had so many apps open and projects and browser windows, I didn't want to have to reboot. I did some searching and I found a lot of overly complex solutions involving the terminal or the activity monitor, but I did find one suggestion on an Apple forum to simply relaunch the Finder. And I thought, well, heck, that's easy. So let's try that now and see if it works. So on the dock, go to the Finder icon and click on it while holding the Option key. It'll bring up a pop-up menu. And at the very bottom of that menu, click on Relaunch. So wait a moment for the Finder to do its thing and restart. So the Finder restarted and I opened the same folder that I had open before. Now let's see if that fixed it. I'm going to hit the spacebar. Awesome, that worked. Quickview is restored just by relaunching the Finder. So if Quicklook breaks for you, just relaunch the Finder and that should solve the problem. Thanks for watching. What the heck just happened? I'm John Martins. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time on Apple a Day.